what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. Today I have an ultimate clean with me video with some really great music. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sophia has been homesick for the last week, so the house is dirty and really needs a good clean with some Clorox wipes. I usually use the Mrs. Meyer's, but because of all the germs going around, I just wanted to do a good deep clean with some Clorox bleach wipes. So let's go ahead and roll on into the cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here just
So the final room that I have to clean is the kitchen. And before we get started in that room, I just wanted to let you know that we are in the midst of Vlogmas, where I will be uploading 12 videos in 12 days. If you haven't already seen those, I will link them in the description box below from this video, so you can go ahead and check those videos out. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you get notified when I come out with more videos, especially during the season when I am coming out with videos every single day for you guys. If there's anything you would like to see in particular, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to throw some ideas around and see what you guys would be interested in seeing.
because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here.
And as I was halfway through cleaning the kitchen, little one woke up and wanted to have some snuggles. She was feeling better, but in a very cranky mood. So we just needed to snuggle for a little bit, got her a snack, set her up with her cartoons, and I was able to power through the rest of the kitchen. Then the house was clean and we were able to relax the rest of the evening.
Giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love. What you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. That we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love.
Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I absolutely love doing clean with me videos. I hope they give you the motivation or inspiration to clean a room in your house or your whole house, whatever it may be. I love putting these videos together for you guys. And if you enjoy them, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you get notified when I come out with more videos. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys here. As always, my name is Sydney. This is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I'm happy that you decided to stop by my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.
With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on, no. We're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions.